The citizen leader Nelson Chamisa on Thursday launched a sharp attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, accusing him of plunging Zimbabwe into deepening hardships and escalating political tension. Sarabina Mashuku Budapangwa Enoe, the main opposition leader, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, Obudanyira Chiti, Mnangagwa making Zimbabwe hell on earth, declares Advocate Nelson Chamisa amid the rising political tensions. Sarabina Mashuka was zere, and was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Munamudanyu Vamchenzi. In a strongly worded statement, Chamisa contrasted what he said were lofty promises made to citizens with the current state of affairs in the country. What you offered versus what you got. He promised paradise, yet he is delivering hell, Chamisa said. He added that he would never claim to power or seek to extend his stay in office if given the opportunity to lead. As for me, I will never impose myself on you. I will never ask for an extension of my term because I failed to finish my work, he said. Chamisa also dismissed what he described as artificial portrayals of national progress, insisting that reality on the ground tells a different story. I will never pretend progress when reality speaks otherwise. Leadership is not ownership, it is stewardship. No true leader imagines themselves the final year of this world, he said. The opposition figure emphasized that leadership should be temporary and grounded in humility and integrity. True leaders serve with humility, complete their assignment with integrity, and when the time comes, they live without drama or treasury. They lead, they lead, and then step aside. They serve and live. All good dancers know when to leave the stage. Thomas kwambira toko panapa na Nelson Chamisa anwe achitaura at a time panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi munyika yeZimbabwe mune ma-heightened political contestations. Ma-critics panguva inoyi ari kuuya achiona the gap between ma-promises pamwechete nema-lived realities. Chionekwa kunzi the gap is continuing to widen. Pinda comment section medu zofunguro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.